the fist in the palm. Other side. Good for the heart. Then here on the back of the hands. If you have painful fingers, possibly arthritis related, this is very good for relieving the pain. Then here. Also good for back and neck problems. Then we take this knuckle on the thumb and put it in the V of the fingers here, like this. Then change. Then here, along the inside of the arm, from the shoulder to the wrist. We use the fist. Turn the arm over and come back up the back of the arm to the shoulder. And turn the arm over, inside. Okay, so we start here on the shoulder. Be careful of this bone. And then on the other side, on the shoulder, just below the collarbone. Turn the arm over. And you can do this about 10 times. On the outside of the leg, be careful of this bone, just below the knee on the muscle.